The audiology specialists at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery recently held a free educational seminar about the signs of hearing loss. We caught up with Doctor of Audiology, Paige Holt.
Today we're having an educational seminar here at the office. We'd like for people to come in and see the facility and see what we have to offer and educate the public on just the general causes of hearing loss and some of the new advances in technology. We think it's important to give back to the community because we feel like we are one of the most appropriate places to educate the consumers. Hearing aids are not something that are covered by insurance. There's very few insurances that cover hearing aids. Most of them are self-pay, so people are having to purchase them themselves, and it's very confusing to do research yourself. So we want to educate you on the different features and the different options and then let you make an educated decision on what's the best thing for you. So we'd like to be hosting more seminars. Our goal this year is to try to educate the public just a little bit more because we see as the villages grows, then the competition grows. And unfortunately, we're seeing a lot of things in the paper that are false advertisements, and we really just want to educate the consumers and put them at ease that they can come in and get their questions answered and know that they're making the right choice.
As you saw in that last clip, working one-on-one with their patients to resolve their hearing loss is one of the things they really pride themselves on at Lake ENT. You don't have to take our word for it, though. We spoke with Ken E. Johnston, a patient at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery.
Well, when I moved to Florida from California, I had some hearing aids that became all corroded up because they weren't used to high moisture, and I ruined a set. So I had gotten another set from another office, and they just did not seem to take care of the problem. I had heard of Lake Ear, Nose, and Throat, and so I'd go there and see about it. So I went there and saw Paige about it and have been quite happy with that ever since. Paige is very personable about taking care of your problem. And many of the people in the hearing aid business, I think, just really want to sell hearing aids. And Paige takes a different approach to that. There was no pressure. It was just a nice experience not to be pushed into it because they are, it can be an expensive item to buy, and if you're going to spend that kind of money, you need to know that they serve your needs the best they can. She did all of those things, let me try them out and tested them, and we tried some other ones, tested them, and then took her time and purchased these that I have now, and I've had these for over 5 years. But more than that is the follow-up that she does. I try to see her about every 6 months. And that was included in the cost of buying them, that she doesn't give me a big service charge to come in every 6 months to do that. She checks them, and periodically we do a hearing test to see if it's changed, and it has. She's taken care of that by modifying what these hearing aids can do. She has actually reprogrammed them. She's been very, very good about it, addressing my problem and fixing that and trying to make those work the best she can. We talked about the finance of buying hearing aids. You can spend a few $1,000s for them, and I've done that about 5 times in my life. And this is the first time I've had anybody really come out and really help me work with them instead of saying, well, those are outdated, you need to get some new ones. Instead, she recently reprogrammed these so that I can get a few more, maybe another year or 2 or 3 out of them or something. That's the difference of dealing with somebody just selling hearing aids and somebody that really cares about it.
For more information on hearing aids and the audiology services available at Lake ENT, please click on the Hearing Help story link on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.